Pennsylvania is the home of the great American chocolate bar in milk chocolate.
Sarah.
Now, let's go inside the plant. And the first step in the making of chocolate, screening and cleaning. After the beans are cleaned, they are carefully weighed and counted. This is the basis for computing the proportions of each kind of bean to be used. Cocoa beans from different parts of the world have different flavor characteristics, and the blending machines on your left combine the various types of beans to produce that familiar Hershey's taste. Currents of air heated to more than 400 degrees Fahrenheit pass over the beans, enhancing their flavor. The nibs are passed through milling machines, as you see on your left, and a grinding process releases a liquid traditionally called chocolate liquor. This liquid has no alcohol, Hershey's product. Good chocolate making requires more cocoa butter than is found in the chocolate liquid. So, from some of the chocolate, cakes of solid cocoa, which are ground into fine powder for use in other Hershey's products, such as cocoa powder and chocolate syrup. The press seen on your right. The making of high-quality milk chocolate requires the mixing of the other two important ingredients. Milk, mixed with sugar in large blenders, like these on the right, before making its way to the central mixing area. This is the heart of the Hershey plant's production line, the central mixing console. It is here that the basic ingredients are brought together and mixed in just the right proportions to create the special taste of Hershey's milk chocolate. The combination of chocolate liquor, additional cocoa butter, and the milk sugar mixture is monitored constantly at this console. The unit seen on the left them together in preparation for the next process, called refining. We are now entering the refining area, which consists of the processes called conching and grinding. On your right is a rotary conch, and to the left, a series of roll refining machines. Here on your left, the chocolate is conched. This is a horizontal texture. Of course, the other ingredients used in making a chocolate bar are treated as carefully as the milk chocolate itself. Only the highest quality almonds, after harvesting with a tree-shaking device, are selected, sorted, and delivered to the Hershey plant.
What?
The molding line on your right is producing Hershey's milk chocolate with almonds. After the almonds and chocolate are deposited in molds, it's the demolding, before moving on to the packaging area. On your left is the Hershey's Kiss production line, where milk chocolate is dropped in precise quantities and quickly cooled to produce the famous shape of a Hershey's Kiss. Over 25 million per day. On the right is the chocolate, will bear the Hershey's name. And of course, the final result, the great American chocolate bar, and the family of Hershey's chocolate products that have been enjoyed by generations of American families since 1895.